kind of cool.
Let's do this thing.
Do this, bro. What's up, guys?
He's like,
I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. A snake.
What's up, guys? Ranger Ethan here with Ranger Paul, Ranger Aaron today. For our craft video, we're taking it all the way down to table level to do our craft. So we're actually gonna be doing a little bit of a science experiment. Now, to help you understand why our science experiment is about to work, I have put, and you can do this at home if you want to, or just watch. I have put some salt and some, that's the white stuff, and I've put some popcorn kernels, that's the golden stuff, in a cup together. Now, before I mix it, let's make a couple assumptions, right? Most of you guys might think, okay, if I mix it, either the corn kernels will go to the bottom because they're heavier, and by the way, I put the salt first and the corn kernels second, okay? So, if I swirl the cup around, either the ingredients will be all mixed together, or
I think they'll be mixed.
the corn kernels might go to the bottom.
Yeah.
Because they're bigger, right? Which means they're heavier.
Yeah.
So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it really quick. Just like that. Give it a good mix. I even turn over like that. Spin it around. I'm gonna stop really quick. Okay.
Wow. What?
So, corn kernels are still on top.
Yeah.
Let's try it again. I'm gonna try to mix it this time, okay? I'm gonna really mix this good.
What?
No matter how many times I mix this, my salt is always gonna end up on the bottom. All right, you guys know why?
No.
Do you wanna know why?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I was gonna tell you anyways. All right, so the reason why is because even though those corn kernels, the popcorn kernels are a little bigger, the salt is thicker. It's like more dense. So if I have the same amount of salt in a cup as I do the same amount of popcorn in a cup, the cup of salt is going to be heavier. So in other words, what's in the cup is more dense. So the salt is more dense, or it's thicker than the popcorn. So for our experiment,
We have a cup of oil.
you have cups of oil. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna want to use a clear cup,
Yep.
right?
Clear cup.
And you can use olive oil or vegetable. We are using vegetable oil. I want to show them that. Yep. Wesson vegetable oil. Cool. Okay. And Ranger Paul, right now we have 2/3 oil. We're gonna put like maybe 1/4 to 1/3 of water. Up to, I think that's good. Same thing on this cup. We're gonna fill it up to
But
there.
we're gonna look at it real quick before we
Yes.
do that.
Yeah.
Look at the difference between this and this. This one's just plain oil right here. You can't really see my hand, but this one is just plain oil. And this one is water and oil, and you can see that the water at the bottom is separated from the oil.
Yep.
And that's because water
It's thicker.
is thicker.
more
It's
dense.
more dense. It's heavier than the oil.
Yep.
And oil and water don't like to mix. So they'll separate, and whichever one is heavier will be at the bottom. And that's why you see that line where it separates right there.
Yep.
So now we're gonna add it to this one. And you're gonna watch separation.
Sure, you want to do the.
Sure. Okay, now they're both the same. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some blue coloring
Use
in
green.
mine. So this one's gonna be mine right here. This one's gonna be Aaron's. So I'm gonna put some blue in mine.
You start.
And I'm just
This
gonna
is the
put
cool part too. Watch what the food coloring does.
And the food coloring is just a bunch of droplets.
Watch
You
this.
see that? You see that in mine? There's just a bunch of droplets right there. I'm gonna put some.
Look at that. Isn't that crazy?
It's cool, and it just floats there
It just sits there.
It's like a bunch of beads.
because it's water.
Yep.
Okay,
water.
so now we are going to, that's not even the end of it.
Nope.
We're gonna take an Alka-Seltzer tablet. Okay, so if you have Alka-Seltzer or if you have to go pick some up, this is what's gonna work best
Yeah. it's
in
really-
your lava lamp type thing. So I'm not even gonna stir mine. His stirred a little bit. I don't know if he did that on purpose,
bring it
but I
to
mean
the
it breaks. So it actually just broke through the surface
Yep.
by itself. But watch this. Once we add the Alka-Seltzer, watch that. it creates bubbles, and all
Look
the
at that.
water's going through the oil again.
Now
And it's like a lava lamp.
Whoa.
Isn't that
so
crazy?
cool.
Crazy.
It's really cool, but eventually the Alka-Seltzer runs out, so it won't last forever.
If
But
you put
it's
multiple
so
in there, though, I bet it'll last for a while.
cool. Oh yeah.
Well,
Super
those is all
cool.
the same rate, so just have a bunch in there.
It might be pretty good. Yeah. You drop mine in. There it goes.
That's so cool.
That is so cool.
It is.
And now we can make it into fire, right? Because it's a lava lamp.
Nope. No,
No.
Ethan. No fire.
Oh.
That's dangerous.
It's
Wait,
just
so
science.
lava lamps aren't made out of lava?
It's just science.
Just science, bro. Who knew? I know, right? Look at this green one.
The bubbles.
Look
are
how big the
coolest.
Look at that.
Oh wow.
Wow.
The bubbles are the coolest part.
Yeah, dude. That
If I touch it, will it burn my finger?
No.
No.
It'll be nasty.
Oh.
That's weird. It's just water.
It's
Nothing
just
weird
water
about
'cause
it.
you touched
It's just
it.
water and oil and food coloring.
Yep.
It'll be
And
nasty
Alka-Seltzer.
on your hands though.
Uh,
Okay, so this one ran out, it looks like. So you can see that mine doesn't have the middle part anymore, but his is still going a little bit. And now his is running out too. Yep, I think his ran out too. So now it's just
bunch of bubbles floating.
a bunch of bubbles.
All right, campers. So at home, we want to see if you're able to do this. You don't have to use the same amount. You can actually make yours bigger or smaller if you'd like to. And we'd like to see how much fun you guys had with this little project, because we had a lot of fun practicing it and then showing you guys. As you can see, the Alka-Seltzer has done its work. It is almost done finishing bubbling. So while we're waiting for that to finish, we'll let you guys know that you can always post your videos or just pictures to our Google Classroom. We're more than happy to watch them. We actually like watching them.
Yeah, I enjoy it.
We love watching what you guys do. I will tell you, you guys probably figured out by now if you're posting, but videos take a lot longer to post than pictures. So pictures are good. We're good with pictures. If you can post a video, those are also cool too. Thanks for joining us today for today's arts and crafts time. Well, except it was more like science class. It's like science time today. Thanks for joining us for arts and crafts / science time.